are back from our winter break. Adam and I spent some time in the UK, where Adam is from, and it was wonderful to spend some quality time with family and friends. It has been really long ago that we've been there because of the pandemic, so we really enjoyed that time. Now we're back, and first of all, I wish you all a happy new year. And second, to all new subscribers, welcome to our channel. I'm Teresa, and my partner in life, and usually the man behind the camera, is Adam. You see him occasionally in the videos, but most of the time you'll see just me. So, as you could see on the intro shots, the snow is pretty much gone. There is still some snow here or there, but the snow landscape, as you saw it on the last video before Christmas, so this is has all melted away. We did have quite warm temperatures over Christmas, so unusually warm, and now they're back to being cold again. So we get, during the day at the moment, it's probably about +2 or +3 degrees centigrade. That's about 37-ish degrees Fahrenheit, and during the night we get about -7 degrees centigrade. That's about 19 degrees Fahrenheit. So everything stays frozen pretty much all the time. But now I thought for this video I'm gonna sit outside a little bit and get some fresh air before it gets too cold again later in the afternoon. So because of the temperatures at the moment, it's a little bit too early to start any gardening maintenance, even though I would really like to get started, but it will have to wait for a little bit. However, today I thought I'd make use of the time, and I would like to take you on a little journey to Japan today. So maybe you've seen the very first video we posted last year in April, I think it was mid-April. I was saying that Adam and I traveled to Japan, and this is where we got most of our, or pretty much all of our, inspiration for our Japanese garden from. And so the first trip we did was in 2016. We spent there 3.5 weeks. We did a round trip, basically going from Tokyo all the way down along the coast via Kyoto and all the way to Hiroshima. And it was an absolutely wonderful trip. And most of the gardens you see, maybe you have seen pictures or from books or from the internet. So all of these famous gardens, they are located in Kyoto. However, I want to do a few videos about the gardens in Kyoto as well. But first, and today in this video, I want to take you on a journey to Nikko. Nikko is a place that has really fascinated us, and it's a small magical town about 2 hours north of Tokyo. It's reachable by train, and it has a huge temple and shrine complex, and it is absolutely magical. So this is where I want to take you today. Enjoy. Nikko is a small town in the mountains north of Tokyo. It is located right at the Nikko National Park and surrounded by nature. Walking up the only main street to reach the other end of the town, you come across traditional shops and restaurants and these beautiful tiny Japanese front gardens. At the end of the main street there is the Shinkyo Bridge, built over the Daya River. The bridge is preserved and not used for traffic anymore, but visitors can walk onto the bridge. Across from the bridge is the entrance to Nikko Toshogu, a large Shinto shrine and Buddhist temple complex, which is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Walking up the stairs and entering the forest the shrine complex is located within brings you into a magical world. You are surrounded by mature cryptomeria trees, also called Japanese cedar or Japanese redwood. By dark rock, typically found in Japan, and by moss, which grows just everywhere. Even though the Nikko Toshogu complex is in a natural setting, many traditional Japanese garden elements like stone lanterns, pathways and stone walls can be found here. I hope you enjoyed the trip to Nikko. For us it was one of the most stunning places we've seen in Japan. So it's getting a bit cold here and I'm gonna go back inside and have a coffee. And that's all for this video this week. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!